So all you have is a concrete patio or an asphalt parking lot, but you want to have a straw bale garden. Of course you can't pound posts through the concrete or the asphalt. This is a great solution to that problem. Get some 2x4s. These are just standard 8-foot stud 2x4s from the home center. They're about $1.05 each. You're going to need one at each end and then cut one of them up to make a brace at the bottom. You need a long one, probably longer than your standard stud across the top, depending on how many bales you put between the posts. Once you get the bales in between there and the cross piece at the top, now stretch wires between these end posts and they'll tighten up. You can get them nice and tight. Makes a beautiful trellis for all your tomatoes and other vines to climb up. And you'll see it's a pretty solid trellis above the bales. You're going to stretch wires back and forth just like you normally would. And remember, when you fill this space up with bales, when the bottom pulls against those bales, it's going to be able to squeeze tight. So it's really easy to get these wires nice and tight once you get the bales in place in between. So you can do this even if you're in a parking lot or on concrete, a backyard patio, something like that. Don't fret. You don't have to pound in posts. Just build a trellis around your bales. It works great.